Hurry up. You want in? Come on. Let's go. Well, are you coming? Let's go. Come on. Hurry up. You could ask the kitty to move. You could ask. I bet she'd move if you asked her.
Not like she's the Black Knight from Monty Python.
You coming in? You coming? Well, ask the kitty. The kitty will move. Kitty's just laying there. Kitty took control of the ramp. What? Are you coming in? What do you think you can do? If you want to come in, what do you think you should do now? Huh? What do you think would be the next plan? Oh, there's room. Come on. Kitty moved up. Hurry up. Come on. There's room. She lifted her head up. There's room for you to walk by. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. Come on. She lifted her head. Oh my God, that was hilarious.